Okay, good day from wherever you are. I'm so excited you're able to be part of this training. So, at this point, I'll be showing you how to go about the web design with your mobile device. There will be a training for if you are using a desktop, but I will show you specifically how to create a website using the tool I told you about with your mobile phone. So, the first thing you need to do is either download Canva on your phone. This Canva, if you have not downloaded Canva, this Canva on my phone already. But if you have not downloaded Canva, you can go to the Canva website. So I'll just go to Chrome. Okay, before anything, let me just show you a sneak peek into what exactly we are going to be creating. We're going to be creating this simple housing website where if I was to reload this site again, just look at what we are going to create. This site loading up and we have this. You could actually make it better than this, but this is what I was able to do in a very short while to get us up and running. So this is the website, a website to showcase housing services and all. So this is what we have: get best properties and investment, showing the houses together, satisfied clients, what the customer has to say, and links, and even your contact details. You can also have links to your social media handles, links to your social media handles and the rest. So you can link to a social media page, your business page and all. So I hope you're excited about this because this is a learning moment. So like I said, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your browser and search for Canva. So Canva is a very wonderful tool. We have in-depth trainings on Canva. If you want to learn it in full, you can just reach out to me. I'll tell you how you can get the full course, full training package or mentorship program for the course. So this is Canva. Canva is a tool that gives you the ability to do a lot of things, but here we are focusing on its design ability. So now the first thing you want to do is log in. If you've not logged in, you've not created an account, they'll ask you to create an account. It's not complicated at all. You could just probably go to YouTube or so to create an account. So Canva on its own has two different it has a premium plan and a free plan. So here I'm using the free plan so that you know that you don't even need to register for the premium plan to be able to get to do what you have to do. Get this website done, but I always advise that you get the premium plan so that you can always do more, and I'll be sharing a link with you so that you can get the premium plan up and running. So the first thing is that when you get to Canva and you've logged in, if you're having any difficulty logging in, please just let me know on the group, or quickly just let me know on the group. I'll reach out to you specifically. So the first thing you should do is search for. Now for this website, like you see, it's a real estate website. So Canva gives you the ability to use templates. Like I can build from scratch. I can build this website from scratch with Canva, but I can also use a template. In this tutorial, I will be using a template, as building from scratch will take a while, and if you want an in-depth training on that, you can just DM me specifically. I will show you how. But like I said, Canva is a tool. It's always good to also look forward to learning the coding aspect of web design, because that's how you learn big offers. But this way you could get things up and running. You could use it as a side hustle and all. But if you want to really go into deep into the web design world, you need to really understand coding. You need to go into programming. You need to go into learning how to code. But this is a good start to get a view of the web design. So like I said, you go to search and type in let's see, real estate website. I'm just going to say real estate website. Now you can search for anything you want. Let's say you're looking for a clothing website or so, you can search. Canva will provide templates for you. Now the goal of the template is to make it possible for you to create something that fits your brand, that fits who you are. So this is the one I created just ahead. So you just need to search for one that fits the theme of your website. So these are templates. Always take note of these crowned ones. These crowned ones are the premium plans, so you try your best not to really use those ones. So let me just see. I've seen the one I want is this QA IBA. You can use any one of your choice, but ensure it's website by Canva Creative Studio website. You have this website by Canva Creative Studio underneath, so that you don't go. Ensure it's a website. So you can see there are two things you will notice about this one I want to use. It doesn't have a crown, meaning it's a free plan. Same goes for this. Now throughout this training, I want you to be very creative. You can follow what I am doing, but I'll also advise that you create things so that what I do will be different from you and will be unique to you. So like I said, you are going to be selecting this QAI BA homes. This is the template I'll be using for this tutorial. You could, if you want, you could choose this second one that is Turning Dream Homes Alive. Just remember, we are being creative here. It's your website. You're learning to design a website. Now, if you go in for the premium plan, you have access to all these premium templates, which are actually very good. Like I said, I'll advise you always subscribe. It's not the premium plan is not expensive at all. In Naira, I think it's about approximately 3,000 as of this time I'm making the video, and in dollars it won't be very much expensive also, so you can just get it for the value you gain from it. So click on the templates, and what you will see is you'll be given an interface. So let's just be patient. As you can see, we already have a template of the website we are creating. You already have a view of the website we are creating. So okay, like I said, if you load the website, this is what you will see. This is like different pages of the website we are going to be working on. You can see there are different pages. You can see, if you remember how that my other page looked like, you'll notice that all these pages were there. I'm not going to be using this one, so I'm just going to delete this last page. So this is what we'll be using. So we'll start from editing the first page. So this is the first page. What you want to do is you want to first of all change the background, because this is saying QAIBA homes, but I for sure it's not going to be my website. But before we go and just preview how it looks like, let's just preview how this website looks like. So on mobile view, you can see the way it looks like. It's like a website. So show you how it looks like on mobile. This is how the website looks like on mobile. So let's go in and start editing. The first thing you want to do is to change the logo. The logo is basically the brand details of the website you're working on. So let's see, I'm going to call this est homes. So Ignite Homes. So we have Ignite Homes here. So I'm also going to change the logo. Now, if you had a logo, what you would do is you upload it. So I'll show you the two ways how to upload a logo and how to add a logo. So remember, how did I change the Ignite Homes? I clicked on it and I changed the text. I clicked on it and I changed the text. So you just have to do it. If you can't really click on it, you have to use your two fingers to zoom in on the screen to like make it a bit bigger so that you can access things more like the way you do on your normal phone. Then you click on the logo. Next you'll see is I can either delete it, but yes, I'm going to delete it. So I'm just going to click on this trash can beside. Then you will see this elements. Click on the elements. Ensure you click on the elements. When you click on the elements, I could just look for something related to what I want, or I'll go to uploads. If I had a logo on my phone, the logo of the business on my device, I'll just go to upload and upload that business. So if this was I could upload an image, and basically to prompt you to open your file, let me just assume this is here. Let me just go to my file. Okay, this is the flyer I have here. Let me pick this one. This is my own logo. This is the logo of business. Studio Software. It's the company sponsoring this whole training right now. So this is it. You could just add